climb inside the 2010 Audi A4. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Audi prioritized handling and performance with features such as leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, power front seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.